In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your flight simulator is crashing or crashing on startup. For the first step, I have a tip for NVIDIA graphic card users. Go on the internet and there you can easily download the NVIDIA app. And here in the NVIDIA app, you can go on drivers and here you can easily install the newest and best GeForce Game Ready driver, which is really important for games like Flight Simulator. So make sure that you do this. For all other graphic card users like AMD or something, you can go on the internet, type in your graphic card there after the driver download, and then you will also find the best driver software on the internet. So, and for the next step, we go into the search bar. Here we look for the task manager. And in the task manager, we see our CPU and memory usage. And if this is at 90 or 100%, so if this is really, really high, we have to lower it. What we can do, right click on it and then end the task. So we can do this for programs you don't need right now, like the NVIDIA apps. So right click on it and then end the task. This will fully close the program and will automatically lower your CPU and memory usage. And then go on startup apps. After that, and here we can disable the automatic startup from specific apps like Steam, Riot Client, or the overall launcher. And yeah, what we can do here, right click on it and then disable it, because these apps often run in the background and cost much energy, and this is not what we want. Okay. And then for the next step, go into the device manager, and in the device manager, we go on disk drives on the arrow on the left here on display adapters and processors. So right click on your disk drive, update driver, search on mainly for drivers, and here we have already installed the best driver. This is your graphic card, by the way. And yeah, we do this with all disk drives, all display adapters, and all processors. This here, the update driver. And yeah, then after that, you can go to sound, video, and game controllers, and here we have Realtek R audio, Realtek high definition audio, something like that. So right click on it, and then you can easily update the driver, search on mainly for drivers, and here we have already installed the best driver. And we do this, with here. And what we also can do is click on disable the device, and if you have some problems after that, you can also enable it again. You can try it out, and after that, restart your PC, that the settings will be saved, and then your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will definitely find a solution, and then see you next time.